In 2 weeks, it's a week of classroom education, all about safety, safety, safety. Anybody can do this. You don't need a health or beauty background. It's 5 days of classroom education, 10 days of clinical, where every day you're treating paying customers, supervised by instructors that have been in the business for years and years and years. They don't need any health and beauty background, but they're working in the medical field. They're working for doctors' offices, family practice doctors, urgent care, plastic surgeons. They're working for medical spas. They're working for fitness centers, hair salons. I mean, the market is wide open for cosmetic medicine and medical aesthetics.
What did you think about the 2-week course?
It was absolutely wonderful. The instructors were great. The material was awesome. It's changed my life for the better. Make me do what I absolutely love.
I think the course was amazing. It definitely gave me the knowledge and the information and the confidence.
You grabbed your certificate. How long from the time you got your certificate till you were working?
I did do some prep ahead of time. I got my resume ready, but it was 2 weeks actually.
It's exciting, it's fun. People can take a 2-week course and get out there in the working world, and sometimes they get a job as quick as 2 weeks. How cool is that, huh? Love that story.